Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the error messages when buying or selling EFTs in InvestEngine. First, check your available balance to make sure you have enough funds in your account to complete the trade. Then verify that ETF market is open because trades placed outside trading hours may not execute immediately. Then you should confirm that ETF you are trying to trade is available and supported on the platform. Refresh by swiping the app up from the bottom of your screen, close it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then try placing the trade again. Make sure the InvestEngine app is updated to the latest version since outdated apps can sometimes cause trading errors. If the error continues, check your transaction or order history to see if the order was already submitted. If the problem still occurs, then contact InvestEngine support for assistance. That's how you fix the error message when buying or selling ETFs in InvestEngine. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful updates.